my version of what I eat in a week. As if you haven't seen a lot of these videos floating around on YouTube yet, but just wanted to say thank you for stumbling upon my video. For breakfast, I'm having a salmon and avocado on light rye with cream cheese. It sounds kind of fancy, like something you'd order for like $20 at a brunch cafe, but honestly, it is so easy to whip up at home for so much cheaper. I'm using my favorite rye bread that I bought from the grocery store. I like how it looks so rustic and has flour dusting on the edges. Looks kinda fancy, not gonna lie. I'm going to spread just a small amount of delicious cream cheese, not too much because we're gonna, have the creaminess from the avocado. Then I'm just going to top it off with some smoked salmon. To be honest, I haven't had smoked salmon in a while because it's kind of expensive compared to my other breakfast options like PBJ. So honestly, this is a treat for me. First meal of the day. I am super excited. This is one of the most simple dishes, but it's so well balanced, like the saltiness and oiliness from that smoked salmon. And the toast is crunchy and fresh, so what more can I ask for? Alright, not gonna lie, after I've gymmed and showered, I feel so good. It's like being reborn or something. I feel really refreshed and ready to tackle the rest of my day. So for lunch, I've got a really random sandwich or banh mi, but it's like my spin on it. It's just all my leftovers. I've got chicken breast, smoked salmon, capsicum, some lettuce. For the sauces, I did cream cheese and pate, which is really random. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna give this a bite because this is the most random thing ever. Not bad. My goodness, I just made these apple crumble muffins. It's literally just from a cake mix, but look how beautiful they turned out. Oh my god. And here are the rest of them. It's got apple crumble on top. That's got a bit of cinnamon in it as well. And I also sprinkled some powdered sugar at the top. Bon appetit or bon appetit. Good morning! For breakfast today, Hong has made me a classic PBJ. I think we used blueberry jam on top today. This is on top of light rye bread. It's a working day today, so that's why I'm just having a simple breakfast. To go with the PBJ, I'm just making myself a milk tea. I just use this English breakfast extra strong tea bag from Twinings. I've been using Equal as the sugar replacement just to reduce the calories, but also have that really good sweet taste. And then I'm just gonna add light milk into this and becomes a really nice, healthier version of milk tea. For lunch, I'm going to have my meal prep food that I made on Sunday. This generally consists of like spicy chicken breast, sweet potato and veggies that are on sale at the supermarket for that week. I try to keep lunch to be on the healthier side because I know that I always crave for like a naughty dinner. Alright guys, for lunch today I'm going to have my meal prep stuff. So I've got sweet potato, Nando's marinated chicken breast and broccoli. I feel like this is the healthiest my meal prep can get for lunch because I actually don't really like salads. Like I don't like raw vegetables, I don't like raw spinach as well, and I know that might come across kind of weird, but yeah, my personal preference is that I just like cooked vegetables. Gonna have some chicken breast. It's still so moist and juicy. Back then I used to really hate chicken breast because I thought it was going to be really rubbery and tough and dry. But now that we cook it properly in the oven, it comes out nice and juicy and it stays really moist throughout the week as well. I'm really impressed. I'm starting to really like chicken breast because it's full of meat. There's like no bones or tendons kind of in the way, and it's very low in calorie and healthy for you as well. Also have some capsicum, or you guys might call it bell peppers. I've got the red and the green one. Growing up, my dad would tell me that the green vegetables actually have more like nutritional value because it's green or something, but I don't know how true that is. So that's why like every time I buy vegetables, I try to make sure it's like green, but I'm pretty sure like that is not like a complete truth. let's try some sweet potato. I roasted these in the oven without any sort of seasoning. It was just olive oil, there's no salt, no pepper, nothing. Just because I really like the pure sweet potato taste, so tastes like sweet potato. I actually do my weekly lunch meal prep on Sundays every week, or at least I try to, and it just sets my whole week up for success. I end up eating the same thing for lunch every day, so kind of controlling my diet in that way. I recently did a meal prep video, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I do my meal prep, then click the link above somewhere up here. Now I'm just gonna continue enjoying my lunch. For dinner, we're having leftovers. This is the most random dinner, but we have chicken pad thai, we have a garlic cheese naan bread with butter chicken, and we have Korean fried chicken. I think this is the spicy flavor, which is sweet and spicy, and we also have bulgogi flavor. All right, let's eat. We also have this one, which is zhongzi. It's like for, what's it called? Dragon Boat Festival. Excited to try this. It's basically, I think it's a glutinous rice inside.
Yep.
With egg yolk or salted egg yolk
Pork.
and pork. That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
I love glutinous rice. Goes well with soy sauce. I'll have some pad thai.
That's good when there's nothing else to eat.
Not bad for leftover.
Yeah.
My favorite, garlic cheese naan. I'm gonna dip it in a curry. So good. For dessert, I'm also having some yogurt. The brand I have here is called, is it Gippsland Dairy? And my favorite flavor is blueberry twist yogurt. This is literally like the creamiest yogurt you'll ever have. It's like better than ice cream in my opinion. It's so damn creamy. I honestly don't think this is even that healthy, but it's delicious. So good. For breakfast today, we are having a PBJ again. Homemade made the same breakfast and I love it. It's got peanut butter and blueberry jam on light rye bread. I've also got my milk tea here this morning, and honestly this combination works so well. Sometimes when my morning is not as busy for work, I really like eating breakfast out here in the living room just because there's a lot of sunlight that comes through and it really helps clear my mind and give me a very positive start to the day. So crunchy. It's hot but it's good. For lunch today, I'm having my milk prep again. I just presented it differently and I added a lot more vegetables. So we've got zucchinis, capsicum or bell pepper, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and then we have a lovely chicken breast on top with sriracha. To go with this meal, I'm also having a green veggie juice. These ones are like the pre-made ones in a bottle that you can buy from the supermarket. Let's give the juice a go. Tastes really sweet. Tastes very liquidy. Usually with like an actual green juice, you'd expect there to be chunks of, you know, vegetables and fruits in, but I think they filtered it out quite well. Gonna have some zucchini and chicken with sriracha. The sriracha really gives it a kick. And it's quite salty as well. So for lunch, I try to go for options without too much refined carbs. Here I just have sweet potato and it doesn't bloat me up as bad as like, you know, actual rice or bread or pasta. Sweet potato with sriracha is like a very interesting combination. So I recently got these corn dogs. They look amazing. You just throw them into the oven or air fryer, which I've done in this case, and it comes out really crispy golden brown. Inside is like chewy, kind of like because it uses glutinous rice flour, so, and it's 230 calories per corn dog, which I guess is sort of reasonable. I love how you can kind of make this at home and you don't have to rely on going out. And I'm gonna make some now. It looks like this in the package. Wow, look at that. Alright, now I'm gonna try this corn dog. I'm super excited. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Just like the ones from the shops. Can you believe it? And this was just in the air fryer for 12 minutes and it's crispy. Wow. Wow. That cheese pull was amazing and that tastes so good. It's crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside because of the glutinous rice flour. I love my corn dogs with ketchup and mustard. It just adds this, you know, zing to it. It's so good, wow. Tonight we're having beef stroganoff with beef and mushrooms. Quite nice. We just got Mac delivery. This is not the healthiest meal in the world, but we got 10 Mac nuggets with some sweet and sour sauce and I think Mac chicken sauce. This is a cookie McFlurry. Apparently it's got cookie and chocolate fudge inside as well. I'm going to have this leftover apple crumble muffin now. It's been sitting in my fridge for a few days. Smells like cinnamon, really, really nice. I heated it up in the microwave for 30 seconds and it's so nice now. It's warm and moist. On the top where the crumble is really nice. It tastes like banana bread but with apples. Good morning. Today is one of those really random days where I literally just am willing to put on makeup and spend like 30 minutes on my face. So yeah, feeling very fresh. But for breakfast today, I'll be having these sausage buns. These are like Chinese sausage buns. So I think the outside is just very soft, buttery bread. Inside there's just like a normal Frankfurt sausage. So excited. I kind of ate like half of it already yesterday. So I'm just gonna finish this one first. That is so comforting. The bread is so freaking soft. Do you see that? Strangely enough, I kind of miss that milk tea I usually make every morning. Thinking if I should make one right now.